Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm out here next to the pool equipment where we've made some big improvements this year. One of them that I wanted to talk to you about is this new Hayward GVA-24 Valve Actuator. Let me bring this in, show you it, and I'll talk to you about some of the features. Okay, so let's quickly discuss the Hayward GVA-24 Valve Actuator replacement. This valve actuator rotates 2-port or 3-port valves automatically, can be used with Aqualogic systems to automate your pool operations, cleaner operations, water features, all that kind of stuff, and has a unique cam setting feature which ensures quick and easy installation. It is compatible with all major manufacturers, valves, and pool automation systems. We're actually here using most of our system is a Pentair system. Overall, I'm not a pool guy, but this was absolutely recommended to me by my pool guy, and it has worked flawlessly for a couple months now while we're using it. All right, let's go back to me. I think the key feature is that it works with pretty much all pool systems, which is awesome. It's essentially universal, and it's worked great for us. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.